Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Vechain at 8.27 cents right now, a 15% increase within just the last day alone. This is definitely a cryptocurrency to watch. And there's many other reasons we're going to jump into the price predictions as well as what's coming for Vechain. But before we do so, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on because we talk about cryptocurrencies and altcoins every single day here on the channel. We also have $5.3 billion of market cap on Vechain as it continues to rise. The last week has been huge, almost a 48 to 49% increase. If we take a look at the last month, it's up above 70% of an increase. Absolutely massive, coming from 4.86 cents up to 8.27 cents, almost seeing a 2x just within this last month alone. Vechain is one of those coins we do know that there is huge long-term potential because of the utility and use cases that it does build. And because of that as well, we're also seeing a lot of partnerships just recently. I'm going to jump into a few. Like I said, here's the first one. This Vechain Thursday, we will be joined by multi-chain metaverse project Vechain to discuss their social gaming platform built using the Vechain Thor blockchain. So this is actually taking place March 31st at 8 p.m. UTC. If you guys want to take advantage of this, learn a little bit more about this project and what kind of partnership this really is. There's just a lot of big things going on for Vechain right now. If you actually take a look at their Twitter, if you guys aren't following them there, definitely do so to stay up to date with all things Vechain. But a lot of great things you can see here as well, like Vechain Vechain. Don't miss Vechain Thursday. A lot of people talking about this. You can also see, there's more reasons people are excited about Vechain in 2022. And I want to jump on board with those reasons. So the first thing we're going to jump over to is Vanguard. VanguardNGR.com talks about how to go from $1,000 to $1 million investing in the right altcoin, Vechain, Litecoin, and Seesaw protocol. So the big one to actually talk about today, obviously, is going to be Vechain. So if we scroll down, we can see they just talk a little bit more about some of the big things that make Vechain great, right? So VET is now up 54% in the last 7 days of trading, just like SSW, and has great potential to be a millionaire maker. I'm not going to jump too much into this article, but they also talk about how the news that might have helped the surge is that Vechain is now collaborating with Draper University. Draper University is a renowned school for entrepreneurs created by billionaire entrepreneurs and early crypto user Tim Draper. The school has actually launched new classes for those who are interested in launching and developing Web3 enterprises, going to continue to bring utility to the space. So Vechain's done very, very well with that as they continue to push farther and farther for mass adoption. We take a look over at punchng.com. There's more talk about Vechain just within this last day. So today it actually came out. The future of cryptocurrency, Vechain, Quant Network, and Secure Crypto. Well, Vechain definitely being featured all over. Vechain is an eco-friendly blockchain platform that primary mission is to really focus and provide business in institutes with technology and solutions that fit their specific needs. With offices in China, USA, France, and more, Vechain is a global powerhouse. They also have big names in terms of partners, including Walmart, BMW, and Bayer. So a lot of big names, big companies that have actually taken advantage of Vechain already and continue to actually use what they, kind of deliver. So Vechain's technology has its hand in many different pots, with their website stating that they can provide food safety traceability, automotive passport solutions, as well as digital carbon footprint and sustainability. At the price of just 0.046 at the time of the writing, the network has a fantastic growth potential. So we're seeing huge potential, obviously, from that point, really it was a 0.046 up to this 0.0827. A very nice price jump, like I said, almost 2x. If we jump over to the next news article, it's going to be on analyticsinsight.net. This one's talking about how Vechain is one of the top cryptocurrencies that is actually dominating the crypto market seamlessly. With the start of Russia, Ukraine 2022 war, the price of Vechain reached its lowest point in the last 12 months. So we kind of knew that was coming once we saw the war kind of begin. We knew that the prices were going to continue to drop for a little bit. However, we didn't realize that Vechain was going to have such a good recovery. As it often happens with crypto, it started bouncing back the very next day. This left many traders wondering whether this currency is a good investment to make at this point. So if you guys are still wondering, I'd never suggest buying the big green, push up. I would suggest buying the pullback because there will be a pullback trying to find that support for Vechain. That's going to be the time to actually dollar cost average in. Do remember though, guys, before you guys do buy any cryptocurrency, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. If we take a look though at the future of cryptocurrency, it does talk about how Vechain's technology, like we said, had its hands in many different pots. So it's a very, very special coin that really we're looking into here. It has a ton of use cases, utility, like we said, all of it. I also want to jump into the Vechain price history. So one thing with Vechain price history, if we take a look at the all-time, you can see that we had a huge price of 23 cents back, and this was actually May 3rd, I think, May 9th. May 9th, 8 p.m., we saw 23 cents for Vechain, which is a huge, huge, huge feat. But at the same time, we came all the way down to 4 cents, and now we're back to 8 cents. So we are back on that, push to the top. I think potentially we could be seeing anywhere between a 12 to 15 cent price point well within this next couple of months if we do continue to see a bullish trend for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I want to jump, though, back over to this article one more time before we talk about our own price predictions. They have Vechain price predictions here on the site. So the fluctuations we've seen in the past are really a clear sell signal. However, this crypto has attracted some interest lately. This is because some Vechain predictions 2022 to 2025 do show a slight comeback in terms of value. How excited are we about this? Only slightly. Vechain looks like it will have its value reach the coin's all-time high in the next few years. Before that, it might once again rise to 0.10 or 10 cents, and then by 2028, we might see it hit 16 cents. So they're very, very, in my opinion, almost bearish in this price or price push that we've just seen. They think it'll only rise 2 cents from its current price point in the next 12 months. And then 2028, we might see 16 cents. This is just a little bit ridiculous on Analytics Insight. It's great that they are kind of bullish in their terms, but I do see a much higher potential for much more. I want to jump over to BlockFi before we talk about more price predictions on Vechain. If you guys haven't already, jump down into the description of today's video. Check out BlockFi. I have a link down there. If you join that link, it'll give you up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up. And you can buy, sell, and earn crypto with BlockFi. And this is a BlockFi Rewards credit card that gives you 3.5% back in every crypto, or really every purchase. It gives you crypto at 3.5% back. So that's going to start your crypto portfolio headed in the right direction. And from there, you'll be able to kind of just trade it around. Make sure you're getting into coins like Vechain, like other coins that you think have huge potential. We jump down, it also says over $15 million in crypto paid in rewards today and no annual fees. That's absolutely huge as well. Over 1 million plus clients, 350 global institutions, $10 billion plus dollars in assets, that is. Just a lot of great things for BlockFi and reasons to believe that they are going to stay one of the biggest people, or one of the biggest companies in the crypto space. I want to jump back, though, and finally talk about those price predictions. So we've been talking about Vechain for a while on this channel. We did see that there was going to be a pullback at some point. We talked about that pullback from that 15 to 16 cent range. However, now that we're down on that pullback, we talked about how dollar cost averaging in during these bear market dips are going to be the way to get in. So if you were able to actually buy in at 4 cents, you're already seeing almost a 2x, and I think we're going to see much, much more. 12 to 14 cents within the next couple of months, 16 to 20 cents well within this year, and then potentially reaching a new all-time high later in early next 2023 year. I think we're going to see the bull market really come to life. A lot of great things happen across the crypto space, and Vechain will definitely follow along with it. So if you guys want to stay up to date with all things crypto, you can also follow me on Twitter, CryptoProfitYT, and I give you guys updates every single day on Twitter as well as YouTube. So make sure to like the video, like I said earlier, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. I'll see you guys all in the next one.